Good morning, children. Let's continue the same topic, pair of linear equations in two variables. Here you will learn graphical method of solving these pair of linear equations. Now let's read the steps. As already you know, equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then what to do? In step 1 you can read, prepare the tables for equation 1 and 2 by expressing y in terms of x or x in terms of y. And then step 2 is plot the points and draw the lines L1 and L2 for equation 1 and 2 respectively. Now step 3 is, if the lines L1 and L2 intersect at a point, say R, whose coordinates are A and B, then the given system is consistent and has a unique solution. Value of x is A and value of y is B. Otherwise, if the lines L1 and L2 are coincident, then the system of equations is consistent and has infinite number of solutions. And otherwise, if the lines L1 and L2 are parallel, then given system of equations is inconsistent, means lines are parallel, therefore they don't have any solution. For this, we have to take an example. Let's read the statement. Draw the graph of equations x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and x-axis and shade the triangular region. The same question you have done in 9th class also. That's why we have taken example first as it is. Already you know how to draw the graph. Let us consider the first equation, in which what I have done, I shifted y on the other side, means now y equal to x plus 1. Now for graph we have to make a table. Let's choose the values of x. If x is 0, then substitute the value of x. You will get y, that is 1. If x is 1, then substitute the value of x, that is 1 plus 1, which is 2. And now let's make a table in which you have to make x, y and coordinates x, y. Here what I have taken, if x is 0 then we are getting y as 1. If x is 1 then y is 2. You can see we have calculated it here. And how to write the coordinates x and y, value of x is 0 and value of y is 1. Value of x is 1, value of y is 2. That's why these two coordinates we have to plot on the graph. Let's plot the points. Let's write the name of them. First point is 0, 1. We have written the name A. And second point is 1, 2, whose name is B. And we will plot these 2 points on the graph and join them. We will get a straight line. Now similarly, we will consider the second equation, which is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Here we have shifted 3x and 12 on the other side. You see here minus 12 will become plus 12 and 3x will become minus 3x. And as we have to find out the value of y, that's we have to shift this 2 on the other side, like 12 minus 3x upon 2. Here again we have to choose the values of x. Here I have taken x as 0. By substituting the value we are getting y. And similarly, if I have taken x as 2, then by substituting the value we are getting y again. Now again let's make a table in which we have to write x, y and xy. X we have taken 0, got y as 6, that's why coordinates 0, 6. And here x is 2, then y is 3, coordinates 2, 3. Then we have to plot these points. Let's either name P and Q and join them. You can see the graph here. In first line, we have to plot the points A and B. A point is 0, 1, x is 0, y is 1, 0, 1. And second point is B, whose coordinates are 1 and 2, x is 1, y is 2. By joining these 2 points, we are getting a straight line like this. Always put arrow on both the sides because we can extend from both the directions, and always write the equation whose line is this. Similarly, we will continue for the second one. We have to plot the points P and Q. By joining them, we are getting again straight line. We have to write the equation of this line. These two lines are intersecting at this point, which is called the solution of these two lines. But here what to do? We have to shade the area made by these two lines and x-axis. You can see here this is a triangle which I have shaded here. Its coordinates I have written -1 0, name is S, Q coordinates 2 3, and R coordinates 4 and 0. So this is a triangular region you can see with x-axis whose coordinates are S, Q and R that I have written here. You can see. Therefore, we are getting a triangle. Name is SQR and coordinates already you have written on the graph. Similarly, I have taken one more example. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problem and find the solution graphically. Here we have to make the equations ourselves and then we have to solve graphically. The question is 10 students of class 10th took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then we have to find out the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Then what to do? Let number of girls be x and number of boys be y. According to the question, ATQ means according to the question, number of girls plus number of boys 10. Number of girls we have taken x. Number of boys we have taken y. That's why x plus y is 10. According to the question, number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. Girls means x is means equal sign. 4 more means 4 plus and number of boys means y. And we have to shift y on this side because we have to take both the variables on the one side. X minus y equal to 4 is the second equation. Therefore, this is called algebraic representation of the given situation. From the first we are getting x plus y equal to 10 and from second we are getting x minus y equal to 4. These are two equations. We will plot their graph and let's find out the solution. For both of them we have to make a table. As already you know, we have to shift either of the variable on the other side. दोनों में से किसी एक को उधर shift करेंगे. X को उधर shift कर दिया. Let's choose the value of x. We are getting value of y in both the cases and then make a table here. If x is 0, then y is 10. If x is 10, then y is 0. Let's plot these 2 points. Name is A and B and join them. And similarly for the second one, we have taken x minus y equal to 4. Here we have shifted y on the other side. If we will choose x, value of x is 4, then we are getting y is 0. If value of x is 0, then we are getting y is minus 4. Again, let's write the coordinates of them. Name is P and Q and plot these two and join them. You can see the graph here. I have plotted both the points A and B. We are getting first line and P and Q. This is second line. You can see here by joining them we are getting intersection point of them which is R whose coordinates are 7 and 3 which is called solution of these two lines. Here what we have to do, we have to write always equations on the line. Here I have not written, let me write. The first equation is x plus y equal to 10 and here it is x minus y equal to 4. This is compulsory, we have to write, and scale is also compulsory. Already you learned in 9th class. Here what I have written, the two lines representing the two equations intersect at 7 3, hence x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3 is solution of the pair of linear equations. X is number of girls, that is 7, and y is number of boys, that is 3. This is called solution graphically. Here based on it you have to try this question. I have written here, solve for x and y graphically and hence find the value of a from this equation. Just try yourself.